Sergio, great to see you here on the Maquinser stand at Beam. Tell us about yourself, your role, and what you do at the company.
My name is Sergio Sainz, and I'm the sales manager for the north area of Maquinser in Spain and Portugal.
What is that northern area? Tell us about the sort of size geographic.
We work for the regions of Galicia, Asturias, Cantabria, País Vasco, Euskadi, Navarra, and La Rioja.
And tell us about the machines that you supply. Tell us about some of the products that are within the portfolio.
Okay, we mainly have three divisions in Maquinser, which they are the machine tooling division, also the Swiss lathe related machines division, last but not least, the 3D printing business and 3D business.
What's your day-to-day role then? What do you do on a day-to-day basis?
Okay, I recently moved from being the sales guy for the 3D printing business in the north area, and now I'm the one who is leading the sales team in here in the north of Spain, in Maquinser North. And nowadays, what I'm doing is trying to guide all the team on the successfully work within the Maquinser's objectives and sales strategy. Yeah, that's right.
And how many customers would you have in your area? How many businesses do you think?
We have quite a lot of customers. I will say more than hundreds of customers, really. Yeah.
And what's some of the latest technology that you offer? Tell us about some of the real outstanding products.
Well, here in the BM, we are now presenting as like new machines, Matsuura MX-520T, which stands for turning. It's a 5-axis machine with pallet system, PC7 pallet system, which is also new. We moved from 4 pallets to 7 pallets, and also with the turning option integrated in the machine, which is awesome, a very capable machine to finish very complex parts, which also needs to be turned.
And some of the Mirantas as well, the Miratech machines, they're quick, aren't they?
Wow, it's the fastest machines in the market for cutted pieces and also for bar pieces. With the gantry systems, you can load and unload the parts in few seconds. So also due to the double spindle system, we have a very competitive machine in a very short time of.
And the Tsugami?
Tsugami, for me, is one of my favorite products, Tsugami, Swiss type machines.
Why is that?
Well, we have started with Tsugami 8 years ago. We sell the first ones here in the Basque Country. So in my heart, they have a special place, but also because of the technology they have. They are very reliable machines. They are top of the art machines, and well, all the customers are very happy with those machines. Yeah.
And then tell us about the show. Has it been good?
So it has been great. We have a lot of customers, a lot of visits, and we already have sold some machines. So perfect.